Hello, and welcome to the first of a series of videos which will introduce you to the capabilities of the MQGem product, MQEdit. MQEdit allows you to browse and edit messages on the queues on your IBM MQ queue manager. Here we are viewing a PCF message from one of the event queues. When viewing a message, you have a number of ways to change the display. The message descriptor can be shown or hidden. Formatted messages and the MQMD can be shown at high-level detail, medium-level detail, or low-level detail. PCF messages are not just for use by the queue manager. You can use them for your own applications too. PCF messages are a great format to use since you can represent a variety of data types, such as strings and numbers. And of course, MQ knows how to convert them when they move between systems. MQEdit natively understands all the built-in MQ formats, as well as XML, JSON, CSV, Edifact, and Fix. In addition, you can describe your message formats to MQEdit as a user format. Look for a future video to learn about that, or read the blog post linked in the description. Let's try editing a message. All these lengths must be updated and rounded up to 4 in some cases when making a change to a PCF message to ensure it remains correct. And MQEdit does it all for you. Now we press the Update button to store these changes on the queue. MQEdit makes manipulating messages very simple. To move or copy a message to another queue, we can just drag and drop. If you want to copy rather than move, just hold down the Shift key before letting go of the mouse button. You will see the label change to say Copy instead of Move to show the operation has changed. If you have 2 instances of MQEdit running, you can also drag and drop from one to the other. You can even drag and drop messages between queue managers. Now let's try creating a message from scratch. Our message is in XML this time. We'll add a tag or two and then type in some text. Now we realize that we got the tag wrong, so we correct it, and MQEdit corrects the closing tag automatically. If we had a really long tagged message, you can quickly jump the cursor to the matching end tag using the Go to Partner Tag menu option or by pressing Ctrl-T. Being an editor, you will not be surprised to learn that you can search for text in messages and use Find and Replace. There is an undo and redo action which saves all the changes you made to a message while editing it. And you can bookmark a position in a message, which is very handy when editing long messages. You can also load a message from disk and save a message to disk. A feature which uses the QLoad format in the files. You can use MQEdit connected to all supported MQ platforms, which includes non-ASCII platforms such as IBM I and ZOS. In such cases, you can edit your message natively in EBCDIC without requiring it to be converted. This is useful because you want to make as few changes as possible to the original message, and clearly converting the entire message into a different code page and encoding is a large change. Worse still, when converting between code pages, there is no guarantee that you can convert it back again. For this reason, it is recommended that you always edit unconverted messages. If you start editing a converted message, MQEdit will warn you. This concludes our brief introduction to MQEdit. You can see how easy it is to edit and manipulate messages on your MQ queues. If you have any questions or comments about this video or the product, or would like to be sent a trial license so you can try it out for yourself, then please send an email to support@mqgem.com. Thank you for watching.